Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here at Ablewaytech with a daily debrief of one of our live trading examples from this week, Devon Energy. So let's get into it. Okay, so this trade is from January 30th, 2023, trading Devon Energy, one of our favorite targets. And this one was interesting. You know, this blue line is when I started trading around 9:30 Pacific time. And usually what I like to do is I'll wait for this harsh move down and then try the reversal, you know, if it gets back up to here to this previous line. I was a little late to the party on this one, so I wasn't able to get that. So I just waited then for it to, if it, like this one, it fails immediately, where it comes up, doesn't at all make it, and then comes back down. So I got short right here with our normal stop up here. And then I was playing, basically saw what the size of this move is and said, well, it could go back down there to, so that was our purple line here was our target. So got short there and then just used a trail stop. It came down over to here and then reversed, and that was enough to get a little under 1R. And then again, it was the same thing. It had again moved a bit down, you know, this unambiguous move down. So I was playing now the reversal, that if it would come back up here to this purple line to test this previous support and resistance level. Again, just like over here, it just went up a little bit, started to fail, so our trail stop got us out right about here, and that's an automatic stop and reverse, because we have this move down, then we had our just a slight pullback, and then again this playing this big move down, and that's exactly what happened then. So we got short here and then used our trail stop, and it really just moved down really orderly. Wish we would do that all the time. And then by this point, you know, we had almost 3R in hand, so we got out here at this, I want to hit this, you know, our PSARs here. So that was good. We added up with the first down move, we got about 1R, a little less. Then tried the move to the upside, minus 0.3, and then about 3 again with another move to the downside. And it's worth noting, well, two things worth noting. If we use our range statistic over here, this orange box, this is kind of the calibration of our normal, or, you know, maximum expected intraday move. And you can see it got almost right to there from this high up here. So that's a really nice way to kind of calibrate and to see what's the reasonable intraday moves that it can make. And the other thing to note is that Devon Energy is an energy, obviously, stock. And when we took this trade, the market was down. It was below its low of day from yesterday, so it was in what we call the red zone. You see that Devon Energy was down here almost 4.5%. And the whole energy sector was one of the worst sectors. So that was an important point of our logic chain decision, that we saw the market was down, energy sector was the worst, Devon was even worse than the energy sector. So it made it a more high probability trade to look for these shorts when that kind of environment was happening. Click the link in the description to check out our trading courses at ablewaytech.com. You can also sign up for our free weekly newsletter there. And don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more trading examples and trading lessons posted each week. Thanks for watching.